I thought I'd give a little update on my spinner collection here of what I call the mirror spinners or something like that. See if I can get a better reflection on that thing. Okay. This container for these three right here, 99 cents odor absorber and stuff. You just flip it over, take the label off, and for this switch here, the standard circle type switch, this type drill bit, 7/8 inch, you just drill a hole. You need thicker plastic containers. You don't want something really thin. I wish I could get some more of these from 99 cents. They quit carrying them. This is some kind of fancy watch container box I found somewhere. This is a circuit up here on most of them. It's mostly from Lidmotor's design. This is the coil. This circuit uses a 12,000 ohm coil. Okay. You need to get this synchronous motor on eBay. The regular synchronous motors you find in US appliances are nowhere near 12,000 ohms. So if you order one, make sure the picture looks just like that. The mirror up top from 99 cent store cost a whole $1 or 99 cents, whatever you want to call it. And that's where I'm at today.